Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guide tip for round 2 of CompXM. So we will get the top result. I show you now. For round 1, you can check the other video for the very detailed guide of R&D, marketing, production, finance, TQM, and HR. And you see that after round 1, you get very good sales here and good profit here, top sale and good profit, and 30% of market share. We can increase us each round very fast, right? So we check the details of R&D here. For R&D, we have added for new product here in round 1, so now it is ready for round 2, at least half year, more than half year to sell. And we update the for product here. Remember, I say it again and again, we need to check this report. We need to check this report to see the segment of 4 products. So trip here, core and nano and elite. I say it every video that you do not copy the number, you understand the strategy. I show you the standard strategy, so you have the vision, you have the picture of the whole game, and then you can change the number, adjust the number to customize with your game. Because CompXM is an exam, it is different from student to student. Numbers are different, order of the product are different, so you need to understand this is a trip, the lowest price, and then core and nano, and then edit the highest price. So you need to understand that to set the price. From here you see 22, 30, 38 and 40 different orders, right? So that's R&D, and then we check the marketing. Marketing is quite simple. From round 2 to 4, you just reduce the price by 50 cents each round. We have two trip here, 2 core here, 2 nano and 2 edits. In round 2 we spend 1,000 for new product, but from round 3 you can use 2,000 for promotion and sales. That's the optimal amount. And then for the calculation of sales forecast, again we use this report part. You see the unit we sold here, and then inventory here, and then we can use this to calculate the sales forecast. You can also download the free Excel file like this to calculate the sales forecast faster, right, under this video. And then for the production, here is quite simple. From round 2 we add new capacity for the products here, new capacity. We input the product schedule by the sales forecast, deduct inventory, and very important to buy new capacity for the product, so we can have that enough capacity to meet the demand increasing. And then we increase automation to 8 for the trip here, 6 for the core, nano, elite, 5. So that's simple, right? You can do that, right? And for the HR, you use 5,080 hours of training to get the best workforce. For financial, we still need fund for expansion, so issue the mark stock, buy the borrow the current debt, borrow the long-term debt to get this amount, keep this amount from around 40,000, 40 million to get the safe amount to avoid emergency loan. And then you can see that in round 2 we increase sales a lot here, and also 37% of contribution margin, and then 6% of net profit. So that's very good result. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com to get the explanation, and also get free support for our one and quiz run. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success with the CompXM.